welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys my everyday makeup. I'm not sure if I want to do foundation today just because it's been getting like hella hot out. Do I really want to like melt out in public? Because I'm for sure going out today. My dog, I'm going to see how much it's going to cost for dog training for him. So they're going to do like an evaluation thing with him for like 45 minutes to see like where he's at and everything. So I don't want to look like I'm a melting popsicle while I'm there, but we'll see what I feel like doing today. Man, I'm kind of sad though, because like my hand mirror that I had from this eye contact place, I put it in my purse and somehow it managed to get broken. So rip to that, but I'm still gonna try and use it because it's the only small hand mirror that I have. I should probably get another one, but it's whatever. So first we're gonna go in with eyebrows as always.
Another one.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the brown. When I get like this, I can't be around you. I'm too little to dim down the night. Cause I can think some things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow.
I'll do some foundation for y'all. So I don't really necessarily think I'm this tan yet, cause last summer I was able to use like this soft honey color. Oh, sorry, that's upside down. Last summer I was able to use this soft honey color for the Maybelline Fit Me, but right now I am 238 rich tan, but yeah, quite a bit of a color difference, right? Kind of. One's just more tanner than the other, I guess, but I don't think I'm there yet. Not yet, at least. I don't know. What do I want to try? I just don't want to accidentally make myself look orange. I guess we can try, and if it turns out to be a disaster, it's whatever. So I'm gonna go in with my soft honey color.
Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
So for the most part on my camera, this does look like it's my color now. So now from now on, I'm probably going to be wearing the soft honey color for a while. And I just need to go back in and fix up my eyebrows a little. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're a little different. Just because I think I got some foundation on them. Made them a little uneven.
You know this cookie's for the bag. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds and nothing.
Okay, so that's as identical as they're gonna get. So now we're gonna go in with contour.
Rockin' with you. Diamonds and nothing when I'm shining with you. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around.
So this thing I'm using, I'm pretty sure it was the NYX Duo Stick for highlighting and contour. I lost the highlighting part, so right now I just have the contour part, and I'm just using this because it's a little darker than what I usually use. It's darker than that, and I think I'm gonna have to switch over to this for contour because I'm getting darker and we're gonna actually need to see this contour. So yeah.
I know I get wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
So a little tip for like contouring your chin, you don't want to just scrub side to side like this. You want to bring it down because it makes it look more natural while contouring your neck area. Now we're gonna contour my chin because today I feel like contouring my chin. So I use this to contour my chin just because it's like tiny and I feel like a brush would be weird to use on my chin and nose. So I just use this and I just go in like this, side to side motions. Make sure you blend it out.
I know I get wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow,
I heard that pussy for the taking.
So next we're gonna go in with a little highlight. I don't think you guys can really tell because of this light that I have, but like I have dark circles under my eyes because my sleeping schedule is whacked out. We're just gonna go a little bit in here. And then we're also gonna highlight this T-zone area right here. And we're gonna use this to go in.
I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make it cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, bouquet.
And next, we are gonna go. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my seat. But next, we are going to go in with. What the fuck am I doing? I was trying to put this on this. Anyways, next we are gonna do my blush and highlight. So we're gonna go in with this darker middle pink color for my blush. And just put it right here on top of my contour. Because I feel like I want a little bit of color today. This blush, I don't know, it just looks real cute right now. It is like a little darker. Maybe I should have used a little less, but it still looks good. I like how it looks, so I'll just leave it. Try to blend it out some now. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with highlight. This golden color right here. Already hit pan. It's pretty much gone, you know, but I'm just using it all, you know. I'm not gonna waste any bit. I'm gonna use every last bit.
Call me and I could get it juicy. I could tell you gone off the juice. Oh, yeah. Careful, mama, why what you say? You talking to me like your new babe. You talking like you trying to do things. Now that pipe gotta run it like she used.
Damn, I'm shiny, yo. I'm shining. So today I feel like highlighting really tiny spots of my face. So we're gonna go in with the same highlighting color and we're gonna go with my Cupid's bow. Ooh. And then we're gonna go right here in my arch. And then we're gonna go in the other arch. And then we're gonna go on my nose. So how I highlight my nose usually is I do the tip, and then I do the little middle right here, just the middle. Those are the only thing I highlight when I highlight my nose. Dang, I'm popping today, yo. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay. Oh man, I make myself laugh. What the fuck? Now we're gonna go in with lipstick. And this is pretty much, okay, so I used this color when I was in, I think I was a freshman or a sophomore. And it was like my everyday, it was my everyday look. It's Milani and the color Teddy Bear, and I feel like it looks so natural on me. Like with my skin color, it just looks like a natural lip color to me. So this I use for everyday makeup.
Baby, you made me drown in it, ooh, touche, baby. I'm carrying that water, Bobby Boucher, baby. And you know I'm a slaughter like I'm Jason. But so why you got it on safety? White girl red shit on brown liquor. I probably shouldn't be.
I feel like it gives me like this pink color that my lips don't really have like a lot of naturally, so yeah. And it's nice and soft too, like sometimes when I like wear lipsticks and stuff, I always have this habit of rubbing my lips together because I know that there's something on it, and this stuff stays on when I do that throughout like the whole day. I just like do this and it just stays on. I just love the color. Wow. And next we are gonna go in with, what are we gonna go in? We're gonna go in with mascara. We're gonna use my Ratchet little hand mirror. I need to buy another one. I could probably just go to the dollar store, honestly, to get one. So we're gonna go in with my favorite mascara, Molly. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it, but I'm gonna call it Molly.
Cause you get wild, 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 wild. You looking like it's nothing that you won't do. What you won't do. Hey girl, that's when I told you.
Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow.
So now we're gonna go in with the falsies. I'm gonna finally open these. This probably right now is my favorite brand. My favorite cheap brand used to be Kiss. Shit, I got some mascara right here. But anyways, my favorite brand used to be Kiss. I have one pair in there. I don't want to use them yet just cause, but this brand right now is my favorite. So I'm gonna open the box and we'll put on a pair together. And sorry that I'm not really mentioning any of the products that I'm using. I'm kind of lazy, and I've mentioned them, like all of the products that I'm using, in like the previous video that I make makeup tutorials and makeup videos on. So if there's anything that you saw in this video that I didn't really say what it was, I probably mentioned it in one of my other videos. Alright, let's go in with some falsies. God, I love false eyelashes. Like, I think it was my cousin Emily who introduced me to them, and ever since then I just fell in love with them. I think I was like, how old was I? I must have been like 15, I think, is when I started wearing falsies, and I'm like 20 now. Which is kind of weird to say because I keep wanting to say I'm 19, but I'm 20 now. But I've been wearing falsies for a long time, so that's why it doesn't really take me that long to put on falsies, because I know what I'm doing. But honestly, anything for makeup, it just takes practice. Like, you really gotta practice things, and that's when it starts getting easier for you, is because you start learning like what looks good on your face, because not all techniques are gonna work for your face shape and everything like that. So this is my everyday makeup. It's really natural looking, which I like, and I used a lot of highlight today, but I guess you would call it like a natural glow kind of look, because I'm really popping. I don't know if I want to wear my hair up or down today. I'm not sure. Like, up makes me look more cleaner, I guess, more like up and ready to go. My hair right now looks really lazy, like I'm having like an extra lazy day. So I might wear my hair up, maybe in a ponytail. So this is what it looks like. I think I might wear a hat today, but I forgot where like my only hat is right now, because I only own like one. I don't know where it is, but I think it looks a little better with my hair up. See, look at this, baby hair is already sticking up. He's like, nah, I can't be tamed. Free me. Anyways, I'll fix my hair after I'm finished with this video. But I hope you guys liked it. This is pretty much an everyday look for me. Falsies, eyebrows, and lipstick are a must-have for everyday look for me. Even if I'm not wearing foundation, my eyebrows need to be done, I have to have falsies on, and I have to have lip balm or any kind of lipstick on to feel ready to be out in public, because if I don't, then I'm probably at the beach. If I'm not wearing makeup, I'm probably at the beach or the docks if I'm not wearing makeup. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked how this everyday look came out. And like the video if you liked it. And please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And have a good rest of the weekend, guys.